Welcome, from me is a CUBOT X20, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of this phone. So when you boot it up for the first time, you'll be presented with this screen right over here. So start off by selecting your language and then choose Start. On the next page you can insert your SIM card. Now this step is optional, and if you don't want to do it right now, you can simply skip it. Then on the next page you have the Wi-Fi connection. Again, if you don't have network near you that you can connect to, don't worry, you can skip this and you can change all those settings later on once the setup is complete, which I'm gonna skip this as well. Now by skipping it, I will need to check if date and time is set correctly, as you can see right over here. And additionally, I won't get the Google login page if I didn't connect to any kind of network. Which again, like I said, once you connect to anything, you can still add Google account through settings. From here, we have Google services, so we have service select location, scanning, sending user and diagnostic data. Now if you're interested in those settings, you can tap on an arrow to expand it and read exactly what they do. And from there, if you don't like it, you can disable it, go all the way down and then select accept. And here we have the option to select some kind of protection for your device. We have pattern, pin, password, and nothing. Now I'll be setting up a pattern here. It asks us also for a secure startup, so if that is something that you want to use, go ahead. If you don't care for it, then say no. Now if you're not sure what it is, it's basically forcing you to put in your PIN, pattern, password before the device fully boots in, and once it has, you have to basically put that PIN, pattern, password once again to actually unlock the device. So that is one of the reasons why I'm gonna select no, just don't like it. So from here, let's insert our pattern, tap on next, and then confirm same pattern once more, or PIN, password, wherever you selected. And once you select confirm, it's gonna set it up. And there we go. As you can see, the setup is now complete. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.